always be placed in southeast region or southeast direction as it represents fire element. Alternate direction where kitchen can be placed is northwest zone because northwest zone represents air element which helps in aiding increasing the fire. The stove or hob should be placed in southeast corner or east, and you should always face east while cooking. Water sink can be placed in northeast direction because it's the element water that represents northeast direction. If you have to make windows or place larger windows, it should be in the northeast or east side of the kitchen. Smaller ventilators can be placed or can be made on south walls. Water storage and taps should be made on northeast walls. Dishwasher can be placed on northwest corner. Place water sink in the northeast, keeping maximum distance from cooking gas. If it is not possible to keep it on both separate platforms, you should maintain at least distance of 3 to 4 feet between sink and gas. As we know, fire element represents certain colors. You should have that colors in kitchen like shades of red, yellow, orange or browns. Electrical equipments like microwave, oven, refrigerator should be placed in southwest direction to make southwest heavy. The cylinders can be placed in southeast region. Also, it should be near the gas stove. The geyser, as it represents the fire element, can be placed in southeast direction. Store utensils, overhead almirahs can be placed on south and west walls. And if you are looking for the shape of a cooking platform, it can be a L-shaped platform. There are certain things to avoid while planning a kitchen because it hampers with the positive energies of kitchen and has a negative impact on the occupants. Like, the kitchen must never be below or above bathroom or a toilet. There should be no common wall for a toilet and a kitchen. Kitchen must never face the main entrance of the house. There should be no kitchen in north and northeast direction. Avoid placing dining table in center of kitchen. If you are planning to have a dry balcony, it should be on a east direction. So make sure you follow all these points while designing a kitchen according to Vastu. Let's have a look at residential Vastu for dining room. A dining room can be planned in west direction. How should the sitting arrangement at dining room? The head of the family should face east. The rest of the members can face north, east or west. One should avoid facing south in dining room because, as we have seen earlier, the negative effect of north-south magnetic axis of earth. The dining table should be rectangular or square. It should be of basic and stable form. No dining room next to the toilet because it spreads the negative effect. Dining table must never stick to the wall. For color tones in dining room, you can go with shades of orange, pink or cream. The main entrance of the dining room and house must never face one another. Puja room or toilet door must not open directly in front of dining area. It spreads the negative energies. There should be no loft or beam over your head when eating. So let's have a look at residential Vastu for Puja room. Puja room can be placed at north, east or northeast zone because this is the most prominent places and which receives lot amount of positive energies. You should always face toward east, north while worshipping. If you have to make an offering to fire or you have to make any of the offerings, you have to face east while doing that. Storage above mandir is prohibited. It should be free and open to sky. Placement of puja room in bedroom, kitchen or any room or bathroom wall is prohibited because it is the most auspicious place and should not get hampered with the negative energies. If you have a separate puja room and it has a door to it, the doors and windows should always be placed on north and east walls. If you are planning to place a lamp stand or any kind of a lamp which represents fire, it should be placed in southeast corner or southeast wall. Puja room is a place to get charged with highly positive vibrations that will energize our environment, mind, body and soul. The color of paint you can have to puja room is lemon, white or light blue. It creates a sense of purity and peace. The marble used in a mandir should be white. You should avoid having a black marble. The material wood is preferred for having a temple or any kind of platform you are planning to place the idols. While worshipping, the legs of the idol should be at the chest level of the person worshipping, depending on the position, whether the person is standing or sitting, but it should always be at the chest level.